On today's episode, we're going to build a CNC machine. So I just got the CNC support base assembled, and what I have to do now is to actually start assembling the CNC itself. I'm not going to go into the very details of it because there's already a channel on YouTube that did that. It's called I'll Do It Myself, and I'm going to reference his videos in order to assemble my CNC. So what are the next steps for the CNC machine? There are a few things that I need to do. The first one is to install the dust collection system on it. I already 3D printed these parts from a guy called ATP. I'm gonna leave the link on the description. And this is supposed to fit right to the spindle itself. The other two things that I want to do, the first one is to build an enclosure for it, for the CNC. Even though I'm in a farm, we don't have any neighbors around, the noise, it really bothers me. I mean, I can't do other things here inside the shop without being bothered by the CNC noise, so I'm going to build an enclosure for it. And the second thing is I want to build drawers and cabinets and other things on the metal structure that the CNC sits on. Right now it's just a waste of space, and I want to optimize that. Oh, by the way, I forgot, I also need to come up with a decent spoil board. I already got the material, already bought the T-Tracks, so the spoil board is also coming along. Well, it may seem like a lot of work, and it really is, but the good side of all this CNC project, when you're doing it yourself, when you're not buying from a dealer, the thing is you learn a lot. I mean, I've learned a lot with building this machine. I learned a lot about how to fix the linear rails, how to lubricate linear bearings, how to do the whole wiring for the spindle, for the VFD, for the end stops, how to route the hose. I mean, it takes a lot of time, but the knowledge that you get, to me, it's totally worth it. I have this other project that I'm eager to do it, which is a CNC plasma cutter. And with all the knowledge that I got from this CNC that I've just built, it's going to be way easier for me to kickstart this CNC plasma project in the future. So to me, this is really good. Cost, how much did I pay for the whole thing? Here's the list of material with the prices for the things that I bought for this project.